Test natin to. ENC 307 M16 A4. So ENC brand, full metal yung unit. Metal front assembly, metal din yung receiver with complete markings. Ito rin. So may carry handle na rin nakasama. Sights, ito. And then dun sa unahan, triangle sights. And then may kasama na rin swivel. So length nito, siguro around mga 550 mm, no? Yung inner barrel nya. So hanggang dito sa dulo. And then may kasama na siyang LiPo battery at saka charger. So naka-KEC polymer grip. And then naka-fixed stock. So kasya dito yung 2.2 LiPo natin or battery. So ito yung kabilang side. Working yung charging handle. And then naka rotary type chamber. Working yung bolt release. Selector, bolt release, trigger guard is metal. So charging handle din metal. And then parts, reinforced na internal parts. FPS out of the box 420 to 440. Okay, so test natin. By the way, shoutout kay Boss Leaf dyan. So magazine pala, magazine capacity pala is 300 rounds. Ito standard magazine, camo type. Sige, test natin. And 450 pa pala. For details, PM lang kayo sa page natin guys, Mavs Hobby Shop.